So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Navneet QA Automation, and in this lecture we will see the Cucumber hooks. As in the previous lecture we saw that how to install the Cucumber in the IntelliJ and how to run a simple script. But now in this section we will see the Cucumber hooks and how does it works. So first I will explain the theoretical concept and then we will do one program inside the IntelliJ. Yeah. So what is Cucumber hooks? The Cucumber hooks are a mechanism provided by the Cucumber framework that allow you to execute the code before or after a specific scenario or other event in your test. So like if you want to run before and after something, like suppose you want to initialize the driver before each and every scenario, right? And after, if you want to close that driver after every scenario, then the Cucumber hooks are very useful here in this section. So Cucumber supports the following types of hook: before hook, after hook, before step hook, after step hook. So in this lecture we will see the first two hooks, before hook and after hook. So what is before hook? A before hook is executed before each scenario, as I told you earlier. You can use it to set up the initial state of your application, such as opening the browser or initializing the variable. An after hook is executed after each scenario, so it is typically used to clean up the resource or close the browser or perform other any cleanup. So in after hook, like if you want to close your browser or if you want to perform some cleanup or close the DB connections, something like that, then you can use the after hook. So why we use hooks? So as we told that before hooks, we can annotate it at the rate before, what is called symbol. So this is annotations, and at the rate after. So at the rate before, you can do not to start a web browser, to set up a database connection, to set up test data, and in the same way at the rate after annotation, to stop web driver, to close the DB connection, and to clear the test data. So now we will do this practical inside the IntelliJ and see the implementation. So guys, I have opened the IntelliJ IDE, and as we know that we have earlier step package, and in that we have one class my step definitions or my step def. So here what I will do, I will create one method public void setup. So in setup I will initialize the web driver, and here what I will do, I will write driver is equal to new Chrome driver, and I will mark this method as a at the rate before annotations or hooks. So what it will do, it will run this method before the start of each and every scenario. So before start of scenario, what I need to do, I need to initialize the web driver, sorry. So after that I will create one more method public void tear down. In tear down, what I will do, I will close the driver or browser, driver.quit, and I will mark it as at the rate after hook. So this is our feature file in Cucumber, which is in the resources folder. So what I will do, I will create one step here and provide the step definition for that. User takes the title of the page. So now see, it is in the yellow color, means this step has not been implemented yet. So what I will do, simply I will run this scenario. So once you run this scenario, it will throw an exception. So in that exception it will tell that the step definition has not been implemented. So you can see that it is written you can implement the missing step with the snippet. So this definition I need to copy from here, and you need to paste in the corresponding step definition file, and you can remove this throw new cucumber.api exception from here. After what you will do, after that we can write driver dot get URL, and after that you can give the URL of the application for which you need to capture the title. So I'll copy it out from here and I will paste here, and now you can find out the title string title1, something like that you can give that, and driver dot get title, and I will print this title is plus this title1, and now we will run our program and see that. So one more thing before running this scenario, in Cucumber we are having a runner to run the this what is called scenarios. If you are having multiple feature file and you need to run that based on certain tags, then you are having a runner file here, and this runner file will provide you two options: @run with cucumber.class, it will run with the JUnit, and if you don't want to use this, then you can run it with the testng also. So you can create any runner file in the same package by right clicking on here, or you can create in any other folder also. So you can give the class name runner. After that we are having annotations @cucumber options. So in the @cucumber options we have multiple options, like one option is features. So we need to provide the path of the feature file. So I have taken the path of the feature file. You can see here src test resources and internet.feature, and corresponding to the glue file also we need to glue this feature file to step definition. So step definition relies in this package step def. So I have given the path of the step definition package, and this is a plugin section. It will generate the report in the pretty format HTML reports. So it will come under the target cucumber reports. You can see the target and cucumber reports, and index.html is the file for that. So now I will run this simply runner file, and we will see that. So before hook is started, and it initializes the browser. And after hook closes the or quit this browser, so you can see the title is the internet. So it is printing the title. In same way, like as you know that this hooks works with before each and every scenario, and after will work for each and after every scenario. So you will see that if you are having two scenarios, then how it works. I will copy it out, same thing, and paste it here, and I will give this page 2, right, and I will run this runner file again. So you can see here first test is started, page 1, title of page, and after it completes, then it will start the second page, second scenario, sorry. So first is started, and now it will quit, and second is started, and now after that it will take the title and quit the browser. So you can see the two scenario 2 passed. So see this two title is printed, title the internet, and for second scenario title is internet. Now you can refresh this, and you can check the reports also. you can right click here in the index.html and you can open in browser. You can open it in any browser. So you can see that two scenarios are there in one feature file, title for page 1 and title for page 2. So these are the Cucumber reports, basic reports. Apart from that, you can integrate it with the any reporting format like extent report, LO reporting also you can do it. So that I will explain it later on the next video. So hope you might have understand the concept of these hooks. So again I am repeating. So at the rate before hook will run before each and every scenario, and at the rate after hook will run after each and every scenario. So you can do multiple things and at the rate before hooks or after hooks. Suppose if you want to open the DB connection at the rate before hook, and if you want to close that DB connection at the rate after hook, in the same way you can initialize some test data related file in at the rate before hook, and same wanted to close the stream inside the at the rate after hook. So in this way we can use these two hooks. So thanks for watching my channel, guys. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks all.